when we work with AI, the AI produces stuff that's quite complicated and difficult to understand. And then we're stuck with a bit of code that we don't fully understand. How do you approach that?
Yeah, I think there's two things. So first, it's like you want to understand what you're doing. If all I want to do is I need to list 5 or 6 things on my personal page, and it's got a bunch of CSS I don't understand, but it's not doing anything other than display, maybe that's okay. Otherwise, if I'm doing something important where I'm building, other people are going to use my tool, it's really important to know what's going on. And to do that, you use the same things that you've always used. So it's always been the wisdom of how do you tackle a challenging problem where you can't understand all the pieces. You break it into smaller problems, you work incrementally. As you tackle pieces, you figure out how do you test those pieces, whether it's writing proper unit tests or whether it's just print statements so that you can see the objects. It all comes down to kind of those same fundamental skills of like break it into small chunks and do this. AI often wants to and might push you in the direction of working in these massive chunks. And so you just have to be deliberate about, I can't, this is too big. Let me work step by step, look at everything, look at all the variables before I move on to the next small chunk and progress that way.